In a world dominated by web apps and mobile-first design, you might think desktop applications are fading away. But the truth is, they're not just alive, they're essential. Whether you're on a Mac or a Windows machine, desktop apps still drive serious productivity and performance. Desktop apps provide speed, offline access, and deep system integration that web apps just can't match. Think of tools like Final Cut Pro on Mac or Adobe Premiere on Windows. No browser-based editor even comes close in terms of power. They take full advantage of your hardware, GPU, memory, native file system, all without browser bottlenecks. On Mac, apps like Logic Pro, Xcode, and Sketch are built to leverage macOS capabilities, like Metal for graphics, Touch Bar, and optimized keyboard shortcuts. The native UI and UX is buttery smooth, and everything feels cohesive with the system. For developers, performance-intensive tools like Docker Desktop or local database GUIs are still far more stable on desktop. On Windows, power users rely on apps like Microsoft Visual Studio, Excel with VBA, and AutoCAD, none of which are fully replicable in a browser. Gaming. Windows Desktop dominates with direct access to graphics APIs like DirectX. For enterprise, custom.NET and legacy apps still drive internal workflows, and most are desktop native. Web apps are great for access anywhere convenience, but when it comes to data security, performance, and power features, desktop still wins. You don't want your code editor crashing because a tab ran out of memory, or your video render to lag because Chrome decided to update in the background. Desktop applications aren't going away, they're evolving. Native speed, offline power, and rich integrations still make them the go-to for serious work. Whether you're editing a film, writing code, or building the next big thing, desktop is where the real tools live.